super windy day here in Brunswick, Maryland. I drove all the way out here to skip King Street Coffee today and head to this sweet church coffee place they gutted out. So hopefully that will be cool. About to roll up on her right now and check her out. This place is pretty cool. Coffee's okay. Miss King Street a little bit, but it's definitely worth it checking out here in Brunswick, Maryland. I'm sure there's a ton of stuff, cool stuff on the walls to check out too, so I'll freaking get some of that footage here in a minute. That place is sweet. This little old church. It'll turn into a coffee shop. It's great. Gotta check it out. Alright, we're back at Elwood's, one of my favorite junkyards in the area. We're gonna go do some just looking around for some parts, see what we can find. And I gotta get something for the Saab, as always, and see what we can do. Let's see what happens here. Thing's pretty sweet. An old Dodge Power Wagon. Thing's awesome. We some use, maybe some parts in here. Nice, I found one. Found a good old faithful Toyota Land Cruiser sitting in the yard. It's an FJ40, but maybe we can find something in there. Check it out. Sad to see this one in the yard. I've always wanted one of these. Patina's really cool, and I mean, it's all complete. The whole motor's there, but it's pretty cool. Kind of sad though. Well, we got the parts we came for the Saab. This is a fan control module. I got 2 of them just in case, and just in case they break again, I have them. So they're kind of a pain in the butt to get behind the dash and get one, but we got it. We're gonna go back home and try not to break anything more on the Saab. We'll probably get to that project tomorrow, but time to go pay for some stuff and figure out what the day is. Here's my daily scores for the day. I got everything for a pretty good, decent price, but you know, that's what kind of happens with the mom and pops. You just roll in there. They saw that I found some LED lights, so I wasn't able to really get the best deal on things. But I got a couple hubcaps, an old license plate as well, and a couple things for the Saab. So we're heading home now. It's still super windy today, but should be a good evening. So I made it back to California. I'm here in Laguna. It's a pretty beautiful day. It's actually been raining in the area since I can remember. I'm going to take advantage of my day off here, and I'm going to run to the Etne skate park, which is a skate park that I've wanted to go to for a really long time. I'm about to buy an Uber to get over there, and then kind of the sky's the limit. I might be taking the train maybe down to San Diego or LA. I haven't really tried to figure out the day yet, but come on with me and we'll do it together, all right? About to jump on the train, the Metro link from Laguna Niguel out to LA. We're gonna meet up with some friends today and kind of explore around the LA area. So it should be a good day. Check back. This looks like a great spot right here. Man, it's gonna be a long train ride, but it's gonna be worth it in the end. Made it out to LA. Train ride was pretty legit. We're skating to try to find some coffee or something. I found this sweet brewery over here called Angel City Brewing. It doesn't open until 4, but we'll get out there a little later. So I'm right in downtown LA, and it's got to be one of the weirdest places I've ever been. There's a lot of the movie district and stuff around here, but the people that are walking around are just incredibly interesting. So just kind of observing right now, waiting for a friend of mine, Ryan Mulcahy, to come by, and we're gonna get a beer. Then I'll probably go out and meet up with my friend Tim right after that. So come along with me on that one. What's up, new haircut?
This is like the exact same table I sat at the first time I was here.
Yeah, dude, it's a freaking killer spot.
Isn't it?
Just hanging out with Tim Skanik. No big deal, just out in LA. Whatever.
Legend.
Legend, dude. Legend.
Bro, I looked at her and I was like, oh my god. What?
What?
I'm not telling this story.
We're not telling this story on the video?
No.
No, okay.
Hell
good.
no.
How about his sunglasses? I like them. Do you like them?
Let us know in the comments.
I made it to this brewery just in time. Got time for one drink, and then I gotta catch the train back all the way to Laguna. So let's freaking check it out. Beers are real good here. Gotta check it out. Freaking Angel City Brewery, LA. Get out here. I don't know if I'm gonna make the train. I'm running late. Freaking made it. Which car do we choose? Which one do we choose? It's taking us to Oceanside. I think this is a good one. Success. Made it back to the Laguna area. Waiting on an Uber right now. We're gonna grab some food and head back to the hotel. It's been a hell of a long day. But, you know, can't complain. You're out in California. Take it for what it is, right?